Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add sound to a completely silent video. This process is fairly simple and very satisfying. So with that being said, let's jump into it. First, you're going to want to open up whatever software you'll be using. I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro for this demonstration. Get your silent video and bring it into the timeline. I'm going to be using the short clip I made for my final in video production. Now you're going to want to get your sounds. This can be done a variety of ways. You can get stock sound effects from Adobe, you can get free sounds from YouTube using a converter, or you can even go around and record the sounds yourself, though this is a bit more time consuming, so just figure out what works best for you. For this video, I'll simply be downloading sounds off YouTube since there are just so many different options. I'll be using this converter, and I will download some water, splashing, and room tone sound effects, since that is all I'll need for my clip. Now that I have my effects, it's time to put them together, and this is easily the longest part of the process. We're going to need to cut out different chunks of our audio to space certain sounds out, and add some reverb to the specific scene, since it takes place in a large dreamlike space. This will hopefully make the shot feel a lot more believable. Now here you can see I'm cutting the water drops and placing them in random spots sporadically so that it feels a lot more realistic and like it's actually dripping off the character. Now that I have it all put together, let's check out the final product. And there you have it. I hope you can agree that it's just so much better and it's so much fun to do. I hope you found this video entertaining and somewhat helpful. So thank you so much for watching.